how to connect Radium to Phantom Wallet. So for this, we will first need to search for Phantom Wallet on Google and open up the first website that pops up. Here, we will just click on download for Chrome, and you wanna select add to Chrome here from this bar that pops up. Now, after you have added this extension to your Google Chrome, what we're gonna do is click on the puzzle piece icon here in the top right, and we'll just click on Phantom. It's going to load up the Phantom wallet, and we wanna select or click on this last option in the bottom right corner. Here we can search for sites and tokens, and we will just search for Radium, and you will see Radium. So we just want to click on Radium here. This is going to directly take us to the website. And if I click on Connect Wallet here, and then I choose Phantom Wallet, it's going to do this. So you can connect your Phantom Wallet to Radium. If I click on Connect, Phantom Wallet connected. And that's how you do it. It's very simple. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.